Hi, baby. You're crying? What's going on, man? Hi. Ma'am, can you turn off the car real quick? What's going on? How come you're driving recklessly all over town? You been drinking?
Hello. How's it going? You the caller?
Yeah, I was.
What you see?
This is here she is right here. She just hit these people's trash can. Let me go back and replay. They sent it to me. I work in the park.
Okay.
And she drove through. She went through somebody's yard, turning around, and then she went back out. And I followed her, and then she stopped over by the park off of Porter, and sat there for a little bit. And then she turned. Her wipers were on, and they were off. And then she drove all the way through there, all the way over to Seco, and drove through the fire. She went into a couple trash cans off of Seco, and then she parked again at the stop sign. Sat there for a while, but here's. There she goes. She just knocked her. So I don't know. And then all the way down 10, all the way coming in 70, she was all the way over riding the guardrail.
Yeah.
And then she came back in and almost hit a car, and she went up into the middle, into another lane where another car was already there.
Yeah.
And went back, and then she went again to where you turn right, get on to 25. Off going to El Paso, she went way up and rode off of the median, and then she turned. And so I'm like,
okay. So I think I kind of know what's going on with her, but
okay.
I'm not 100%. She's under the influence right now.
Right.
But she does have a baby with her.
Oh, okay.
Litter between her and the steering wheel.
Oh, okay.
So that's probably why she's not.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because she was just all over the road. Even people were honking.
We'll do
at her.
our investigation to see if she's under the influence
right.
or what's going on. Appreciate you calling.
No problem. Thank you, sir.
Me too.
Yeah, so let's get out of the car, make sure you don't have control of the car no more, and then we'll talk about what's going to be going on, okay? Is there a parent or grandma for the child? Grandma? Is she from here from Las Cruces? Okay. I'm going to step out. You can still sit over here in the shade.
Let's go, man.
Now, you exit the car, please. It's okay. You can sit back over here, man. You can sit in the shade. I mean, you can sit in the sun. All right. Do you mind if I get your keys? Or do you mind if Zasha gets your keys? No. Okay. Do you need any medical attention?
No.
No. What's your name?
Irene.
And then, when was the last time you drank an alcohol beverage?
Last night.
Okay. How about a few hours ago? Is there a reason why you were driving recklessly for the last few minutes? Huh?
No.
So somebody has been following you for quite a few, and you've been driving not normal. Is there a reason for that? No. Where's your phone so I can call your grandmother?
My mom?
No, your mother. Whoever can pick up the kid.
My mom.
Is it in your purse, man?
Yeah.
You mind if I get your phone for you? No? All right, Irene. So where are you coming from, Irene?
San Antonio.
San Antonio, Texas?
Yeah.
What were you doing over there by Highway 70?
It's coming home. See my kids.
How do you feel right now? So I noticed, I don't know why you're crying, but your eyes are very watery. I noticed a little bit of. I noticed a little bit of slurred speech in your when you're talking. Have you been drinking? You said you
I
drank
have.
last night? Yeah.
I'm not gonna be, but I'm not gonna lie.
How much did you drink?
Number 108.
Honestly goes a long way, okay? People screw up, people mess up. We understand that. The courts understand that, right? But honestly goes a long way. How much, what were you drinking?
A bottle.
A bottle of what?
Jose Cuervo.
With tequila?
Yeah.
How long ago was that?
About 2 hours
2 a.m. or p.m.?
Okay.
So let me read you your Miranda rights. It doesn't mean that you're going to go to jail, but obviously I want to figure out what more about you and driving, and especially with the kiddo, okay? Like I said, honestly goes a long way, okay? We understand that people screw up, but we also have a job to do, okay?
Yeah. I do.
You get it? Okay. So it's right now 2:23, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right presence of an attorney to assist part of questioning and to be during questioning if so desire. If you cannot afford an attorney, you have the right to have an attorney appointed prior to questioning. Do you understand these rights, ma'am?
Yes.
I've been advised of these rights and understanding these rights. Will you answer my questions? Yes or no? I need a verbal yes, I'm sorry.
I'm good. Thank you.
You don't want to answer my questions? Oh, you do.
No, I'm good.
You're good in what?
Understanding.
Do you want to answer my questions now? Do you want to answer my questions? Yes? Okay. And right now, where were you coming from though?
San Antonio, and I was like picking up my kids. And
You went to go pick up the kids right now? From
no,
where?
this one.
From where?
My dad.
Okay, where's your dad? Where's her dad then? Oh, his dad, I'm sorry.
On Main.
On where?
On Main.
On Main Street? How long ago have you been driving with him?
No, like 30 minutes ago.
30 minutes. Okay. And what time did you start drinking?
Early, like at the airport.
I'm sorry?
When I was in the airport.
When you were at the airport?
Yeah.
What airport?
El Paso.
El Paso? Okay. So you came from El Paso and came over here and then picked up the kids and then you were trying to go home?
Yeah.
Where are you trying to go home?
My mom.
Ma'am, I know it's kind of hot. I'll leave the cars open. When you open that car, can you put them back in the seat? I'm going to do just a quick test with the eyes real quick. You're going to stay right here. You're not going to go anywhere. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. You want to buckle him in? That way you don't get interrupted. You can stand right here, that way he looks at you, he doesn't get scared. Okay. Do you wear any glasses at all?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. Do you have any contacts on you right now?
No.
No? Okay. So just go and stand a little bit to the left. Okay. So you're going to stand up with your knees like this. To your feet like this, arms down to your side. You just follow my instructions, okay? If you don't understand, just ask and I'll let you know. Okay, now I'll explain to you. So first of all, put your head up straight. You're gonna follow the tip of my pen, but do not move your head. Just follow with your eyes. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. At all times, keep your hands down to your side. Okay. So just follow the tip of my pen, and do not move your head. Do you understand? Okay. Keep on following the tip right here. Just keep on following it. Okay, doing good. You're doing good. Just keep on following it. Almost done, okay? Keep on following the pen. Okay, we can sit back down, okay? Irene, we're gonna do two more quick tests. It's gonna be very quick. The supervisor here is gonna stay with your child. Make sure he's gonna be okay for a few minutes, okay?
Sure.
Hi, buddy. Alright, I'm gonna walk over here, okay? Okay, you just want to stand by, do a fields. Okay. Actually, let's go with that. I think it's a little bit more secure. More flat, I think. Alrighty, ma'am. So going ahead. Actually, look. Can we start over here? And between these two poles, and look that way. That way, the sun doesn't affect you. Okay. So the first one is called the walk and turn. Okay, just listen to my instructions. Do not start until I tell you to start, and just listen to my instructions. Okay. So we're gonna start off with imagining a straight line. You're gonna place your left foot on the imaginary line, and then placing your right foot ahead of your left foot like this. Okay. Before you start, you're gonna keep your hands down to your side like this. So go ahead and start and maintain that position. So go ahead and maintain this position that I am right now. Put your left foot on the imaginary line, and then your right foot ahead of your left foot, and then put your arms down to your side. Okay. The left foot, put it in front of your right foot, please. There you go. You like that? And then put it. It has to be heel to toe. So just like this, heel to toe. See how I am? Left, right, and then the heel to toe position. Okay, arms down to your side. A little bit more forward. All right, and arms down to your side, please. Okay, so maintain this position until I tell you to start. Do you understand so far? Okay. When I tell you to start, you're gonna take go back to the position, man. I'm sorry, it's part of the process. That's okay. Say arms down to your side, heel to toe. Okay. When I tell you to start, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps. You're gonna take a series of small steps, and you're gonna take 9 steps back. Okay. I'm gonna demonstrate how are you gonna take those steps, and demonstrate the walk and turn. The turn. Okay. So you're gonna start off with the left foot on the line, right foot on top of the right foot, or left foot, arms down to your side. You're gonna take 9 steps. Okay. For demonstrating purposes, I'm only gonna do 3. You understand? Yeah. So it's gonna be like this: 1, 2, 3. Once you reach your 9th step, you can take a series of small steps by leaving your left foot on the line, and then leaving your right foot leading by taking a series of small steps back on the line. And I'm gonna demonstrate. Okay? So this is still on the line, and then you can take 9 steps back. 1, 2, 3, until you reach 9. Okay? Once you start this test, do not stop. And keeps your arms down to your side, okay? And remember, maintain heel to toe position at all times during the test. Do you understand so far?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and start your test. Arms down to your side, ma'am. Third step. Missed 7th. Okay, continue, ma'am. Okay, continue the test.
Don't worry about them over there. They got it taken care of, okay? Yeah, I know. I just want you to focus a little bit.
Arms down to your side, ma'am. There you go. Remember, heel to toe. Arms down to your side, and heel to toe. Okay, that was pretty good. So the next one is called the one leg stand. Okay, we have a female officer watching him right now. Okay, so this is the last one. I promise. It's a one leg stand. Okay, just listen to my instructions. If you don't understand, please let me know.
Do you want me to go to the address to make 2-5 in person?
It was.
Okay.
Is there an apartment number for your mom? No? Okay. Yeah, you want to go. All right, man. So one more, and then we're done, okay? So the next one, just put your feet together. Arms down to your side. And do not move, okay? Maintain this position until I tell you to start. Do you understand so far? Okay. When I tell you to start, you're gonna raise either leg, left or right, it's up to you, approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay? I'm gonna demonstrate. So you're gonna be your feet together, arms down to your side, and you're gonna raise a foot, left or right, it's up to you, approximately 6 inches off the ground. When you raise it, make sure your foot is parallel to the ground, and do not place your foot down until I tell you to stop the test. Do you understand?
Yeah.
When you're doing so, make sure you are watching the foot of your feet at all times. Do you understand? Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay. And then when you have your foot up, up like this, count out loud in the following manner: 1, 1001, 1, 1002, 1, 1003.
Oh.
Until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Go ahead and start. Arms down to your side, ma'am. Arms down to your sides. You're good, ma'am. Okay. Let me talk to my supervisors. You want to go back to your kiddo? Just watch it. Hey, Irene, you want to get into the shade real quick? It's kind of hot.
How you doing, Irene? I'm Detective Carrillo, Los Police. How are you there? Okay, you're doing. You can be better, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I got called out here to investigate this case. Okay, so but I know that you've been talking to.
So you already answered some of my questions, and I appreciate your honesty. The only thing, one quick question: how long have you been driving with the kiddo in the seat, in the driver's
Less
seat?
than an hour.
I'm sorry.
Less than an hour.
Less than an hour. Okay. And you were driving with the kid in the seat, you said?
I'm back. Yeah.
Okay. How come you didn't have a car seat?
I did, but it's my vehicle, but not my vehicle.
Yeah.
I think.
But you knew it was dangerous, right? To have the baby in your lap.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know the officer read your Miranda rights, okay, and they're still in effect. Okay, I know he read them to you at approximately 2:27. So, you know, I mean, they're still in effect there. But, I mean, you got to be very careful with those babies. Okay, I've seen many accidents with those babies hit that windshield, and they don't make it. Okay, you're very lucky. That's your biological son. Is it a son or a daughter?
It's my son.
Your son. Okay. Okay. All right then. Okay, I read. All right. Give me a second.
Good on you?
Okay, Eddie, so this is what's going to happen, okay? You're going to come with us. Your child's also going to come with us to the station, okay? We're trying to contact your sister. I think she's on her way, okay? And she's there already, okay. So we're going to try to keep the baby with family, okay? You're going to come with us, and then you're going to go to the station. The detective's going to fill out some paperwork, and he might have some further questions, but other than that, we're going to go to the station, okay? Do you have anything on you that's considered contraband or anything like that? No. I'm not gonna put your handcuffs right now because I don't want you to fall. But let's go towards my car. Let's get you in the AC, and then this officer's gonna search you. Okay. All right, I'm gonna step out. Alright, I'm gonna walk towards these doors over there. So walk over here. Go towards those doors.
When do I come on, like, to go to the hospital?
For what?
Mental.
Yeah, when you go to the jail, they have a nursery. They'll take care of it in there.
Oh.
Want to take a seat? Sit down real quick. I'm gonna read something to you real quick, alright? This is regarding your driver's license. So listen to me, I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest right now for driving under the influence. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires that you submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take your test, you have the right to choose an additional test, independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to have a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or laboratory technician for a technologist who is employed by the hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid by the law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test?
Yeah.
It's going to be a breathalyzer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let me get this started and then we'll start the test, okay? Now when it's done, I'll just have you blow. Once we're done with that, we're pretty much done and then we'll take you in, okay? And we'll be able to talk to a nurse. Alright, I'm gonna stand up. One stand up. And then just take a breath and just don't stop until I tell you, right? Blow right here. Keep going. Keep going, 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 keep going. I know it's hard. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay? A little bit more, okay? Sit down. Good.
Never less. But, bro.
As long as nobody got hurt, that's what counts. People make mistakes, but as long as nobody gets hurt, you can bounce back. And were you sober for a while?
2 years.
2 years? Oh, wow. Did something trigger it?
Yeah. It's like I got raped, so
Yeah. It's hard.
yeah.
Okay, understand about? Same thing. Take a big breath and then just blow into the tumor, right? Ready, go. Don't stop, okay? I'll tell you. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Take a big breath. Keep going, keep going. And I'm gonna have to do it over again. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going, one more time. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Now that we're done. Okay, one more time. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Alright, one more time. Can you breathe? Go hard, go hard, 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 hard. Keep going, keep going. One more time. Then let it restart. Keep going, 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 keep going. Hard, hard, dude. I got to do it over again. There we go. Keep going, 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 keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Hopefully that's the last one. You sit down. All right, let's go back over here. I'm gonna put the cuffs in the front. That way it's a little bit more comfortable. Okay.
Hello?
Sorry, man. I just got done with the test.
Oh, okay. What was the results?
0.26 and 0.25. Can we send you a picture of the results?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Send me a picture of that.
Cool.
Sounds good. The charges are going to be, what is it, aggravated,
DWI.
yeah, aggravated DWI because it was over 16. Okay, and then, let me see. The next one is going to be, let me see, it's going to be child abuse. Where's it at? Felony? Yeah, it's going to be a 30-6-1B. Okay,